Side, the influence of laws offers a nuanced portrayal of Indian culture, caught between tradition and modernity, local intelligence and global mobility. This paper examines how the novel reflects the fractured realities of post-colonial India through the interesting lives of character, negotiable caste hierarchy, colonial legacies, migration and cultural hierarchy. By foregrounding the tension between rural Kalimpong and cosmopolitan New York, Desai situated Indian culture within a global framework while exposing the deep anxieties of this distant values. This paper also highlights how the voices of different characters, particularly Sai, embody the struggle of identity, gender conflict, and the search of belonging in rapidly changing cultural landscape through a critical engagement with Indian tradition and their transformation under modern pressure. The inheritance of laws demonstrates how contemporary human writers preserve cultural memory while reimagining its place in the global context. Kiran Desai, the inheritance of laws offers a potent exploration of post-colonial identity formation set in Kalimpong during the 1980s. The novel interviews personal narratives with broader socio-political landscape of post-colonial independence India. The tension between tradition and modernity shape the character's experience and interaction. Judge Jammu Bhai Patel embodies the internalized colonial mindset, grappling with inferiority and a desire to distance himself from his Indian roots. Sai, his granddaughter, represent and a desire to distance himself from his Indian roots. Young generation reconciling tradition value with modern education and cosmopolitan ideas. Visual and undocumented immigration in New York forces cultural assimilation challenges with Gyan becomes entangled in the Gorakland insurgency, highlighting ethnic identity resurgence. The site fragmented narrative structure mirrors the disjoint nature of post-colonial identity. Kalimpong, with its colonial past and ethnic tension, serve as a microcosm of national struggles. Through her character, Desai explored alienation, belonging, and the quest for meaning in the rapidly changing world. This paper analyzes how Desai portrays tradition and modernity and their role in the fractured fabric of Indian culture. By examining character journey with their socio-political context, this study illuminates the complexity of identity formation in post-colonial India. The scholars have examined the inheritance of laws for these post-colonial themes, particularly the tension between tradition and modernity. Kavita Daya, 2010, discussed the analyzed elite and their internalized colonial mindset, highlighting Judge Patel's alienation from indigenous culture. Sangeeta Roy analyzed the psychological consequence of colonialism, showing character caught between conflicting identities. Globalization and its impact on identity are explored by Priya Joshi and Meenakshi Mukherjee. Joshi emphasizes reduced dislocation and innovation in the US, while Mukherjee critiqued global capitalist effect on traditional communities. Gyan's involvement in Gorakland insurgency reflects the post-colonialization of neither ethnic identity. Now I am going to conclude my paper on the conclusion. The inheritance of laws explore post-colonial tension between tradition and modernity, reflecting fractured Indian culture. Judge Patel's colonial mindset, Sai negotiation of gender and education, Biju immigration struggle, and Gyan's traditional involvement reveal the complexity of identity in a changing socio-political landscape. The side use of food, language, and landscape as symbol depends the analysis of cultural identity. The fragmented narrative struggle, narrative structure reflects post-colonial dislocation, illustrating contradiction and ambivalence in characters' lives. The novel thus provides a lens to understand the intersection of history, globalization, and cultural identity in contemporary India. Thank you. Thank you very much.